CNC electrical system overview. CNC electrical system or the nervous system of CNC machines. They power the machine's motors, control its movement, and ensure safe operation. Power supply and electrical wiring. Power supply. Power supplies convert the incoming AC power into the DC voltage required by the CNC machines electronics. This include components like motors, control circuits, and user interface displays. Electrical wiring. Properly routed and insulated wiring connects the power supply, control components, motors, and other actuators. It ensures efficient power delivery and signal transmission. Safety considerations. Wiring must meet safety standards to prevent electrical hazards. Proper grounding and overcurrent protection are essential for safety and reliable operation. Motor control and drives. Motor control. Motor controllers are responsible for regulating the speed, torque, and direction of the motors that drive the CNC machine's axis. They use feedback from encoders or other sensors to accurately control motor motion. Drives. Drives amplify the control signal from the controller to the motors, providing the necessary power for movement. They typically incorporate advanced control algorithm for smooth and precise motion. Feedback systems. Feedback systems use sensor to monitor the actual position and velocity of the motors. This information is fed back to the control system to ensure accurate and precise operation. Types of motor. CNC machines typically use AC or DC servo motors, stepper motors, or a combination of both depending on their applications requirements for speed, accuracy, and torque. Servo and stepper motors. Servo motors. Servo motors provide precise and controlled motion. They are often used for applications requiring high accuracy and repeatability. Stepper motors. Stepper motors are known for their precise angular positioning. They are typically used for applications where precise movement are needed, but high speed are less critical. Motor selection. The choice motor selection depend on the CNC machine's application and performance requirement. Factors such as speed, torque, accuracy, and cost are important consideration. Limit switches and sensors. Limit switches act as mechanical stops, preventing the machine from moving beyond its physical limits. They are essential for safety and preventing damage to the machine. Proximity sensors, encoder feedback, and safety interlocks.